make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with my July favourites. Yes, it is August. I don't know where the time's going, to be honest. As per usual, I'm just going to be sharing with you all the things I have absolutely loved throughout July. I've got a nice range of things here. A lot of these products I don't think I've mentioned in videos fairly recently, so it's very, very exciting. And I have a lot of fun things happening in August, which you will hear about very soon. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Also, before I begin, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I would love to hit 9,000 subscribers. We are very, very close and there is a massive giveaway coming as soon as we hit 10,000. So make sure you're subscribed, share this channel with your friends, and yeah, anyway, without further ado, I am going to jump into the video now. So firstly, starting off with my makeup favourites of the month, I've only been using the same kind of few things because I've not really been wearing makeup. I've only really worn makeup on the weekends and when I film videos, so other than that I haven't loved too many things. However, the lip combination that I'm wearing at the moment has been something I've reached for quite a lot over the past month, and that is the Essence lip liner in the shade Tea Time, which I've mentioned in a previous video. It's really, really affordable. It's under £2 and it's really, really good. Then I also have been loving the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade 4. Again, I've had this for a really long time and I've used it for so long. It's a really lovely neutral brown colour, and again, I don't think these are overly expensive, so really love that as well. And to top it off is the Makeup Revolution lip gloss in the shade Candy, which is this colour. I don't really like it on its own, if I'm honest. I think it's a little bit pale for me, but I do really like the consistency and the texture of it, so it does make up for that, I think. And with these two things, I just think it's a nice colour, so let me know what you think. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with these. And the next item is a skincare favourite, and that is the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. I've been using this for such a long time. I actually use this probably 4 times a week maybe. Anytime I get a spot or a breakout or anything like that, I put this on it and it works so well. So I would recommend this to everybody. Unless you've got really sensitive skin, I would probably stay highly away from it. But if your skin isn't sensitive, then I would definitely give this a go because I'm obsessed. I love it, and I've probably bought about 2 or 3 of these now, so really worth the money in my opinion. The next thing I have been loving this month has been a perfume, and I try to mention a perfume in most favourites because I really enjoy perfumes and I feel like not a lot of people talk about them enough, so I like to mention them in my favourites videos. And the one I have been using this month has been the Marc Jacobs Daisy Oh So Fresh perfume. I've had this for quite a while and it smells really good. It is essentially a really fresh, slightly sweet floral fragrance. It's really lovely. If you like your light fragrances, it's definitely one for you. It's a really lovely daytime fragrance in my opinion. For evenings, I tend to wear more of a sort of like a deeper scent. I don't know how to describe it, but I really love this, and I've had it for a really long time. I'm not sure how much it is anymore because I did get this as a gift. If this sounds like something you would enjoy, definitely go and give it a smell because it's really good. And yeah, I've been absolutely obsessed, so love that. And before I move on to my Lush favourite, I'm just going to go through my hair care favourites of the month. So if you guys don't know, I have naturally curly hair. This is it. It's large and kind of messy, but also I feel like I've tamed it down quite a lot recently, and I've been watching a lot of videos on different curly hair kind of methods to keep it looking somewhat presentable. So I've been using all of these products to kind of try and achieve that, and yeah, I've been really enjoying it. So the first thing I have been loving is simply coconut oil. I've been obsessed with this. I literally put this on all over my hair from about here all over. I leave it for about 3 to 4 hours and then I shampoo it twice and condition as normal. If you have curly hair, you'll know that it is quite dry, and obviously the ends of mine is bleached, so I do need a lot of moisture, and something as simple as coconut oil can do that. So I've been really enjoying this, and yeah, I would definitely recommend it if your hair is really dry. Definitely give coconut oil a go. The next item is a hair vitamin, and these are the Hairburst chewable hair vitamins. I got these from Holland & Barrett, I think, quite a while ago, and these have biotin, zinc and vitamins A, B5, B6, B12, C and E in them. So I don't really get a lot of vitamins. I don't take vitamins. I probably should. So something like this is really good, especially if you're trying to grow your hair and things like that. I would definitely give something like this a go. And I don't think these were overly expensive. I think I got 2 of these for £20. I think it was on at the buy one get one for a penny sale, so really not that expensive, and they are really yummy as well. So now moving on to hair products. The first item is the Umberto Giannini, what is this called? Weatherproof Curls Finishing Cream. I tend to use this last and I scrunch it in my hair. I have had this for such a long time. I don't even know if this packaging is still the same anymore. Did I get given it? I think I might have got given it at an event years ago, but I found it in my drawer and I thought, actually, do you know what, I'm going to give this a try, and I really like it. It doesn't feel crunchy, it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. I just really like this, and I've been using this every single time I wash my hair, and yeah, I've been absolutely obsessed. So if you've got curly hair, definitely give this a go. And the last 2 hair care items are both from Lee Stafford. The first one is the Hair Growth Protein Cream, and it looks like this. I have been obsessed with this recently. I use it again every time I wash my hair. I've used quite a fair bit of it as well. I think it's like down to here. I use probably a little bit bigger than a pea-sized amount, and I just rub it in both hands, and again I scrunch it in, and it's just really good. I think I got this one from Boots again a few months ago, but I've been really enjoying it, especially with my hair curly. It's just been leaving it really nice and shiny, and I just really like it. And again, with the finishing cream, this just works really well. So yeah, been loving that. And lastly for my hair has been the Lee Stafford Hair Growth Leave-In Treatment. It looks like this. I've used this again every time I wash my hair, and I scrunch it in. Basically with this kind of texture, I don't know if any of you guys have a similar texture. My hair's a bit all over the place in terms of the texture, so I just scrunch everything in my hair. I don't comb it through, I will literally just sort of scrunch everything in. So I scrunch this in as well, and it's really nice. I don't know the kind of purpose of this. Essentially it's got the pro-growth complex, caffeine, and essentially it's just moisture, and it's for hair that never grows past a certain, that's the hardest sentence in the world, hair that never grows past a certain length. So I love that, and that I think is the same collection as this one. I'm not too sure. They kind of look similar, so maybe they're in the same collection. I'm not too sure. And my last favourite of July has been the Lush Christingle Body Conditioner. I tend to use this in the summer. I feel like I mention this in every favourites videos in the summer as opposed to the winter, even though this is a Christmas product. I have a few pots of this, so I absolutely love it. And this one, if I open it, it's a lovely bright blue colour. Smells like peppermint. It's so lovely and refreshing, and it's really cooling on the skin, and that is why I use it in the summer as opposed to winter, because to me, I'm hot in the summer, and in the winter I want to be warm, and it's making me cold, so it just doesn't make sense to me, if you know what I mean. I'm not too sure whether this will come out for Christmas this year. Hopefully it will, so you guys can give it a try. But I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. So if you guys have tried this, let me know down below. And if you haven't, then let me know your favourite body conditioner, because their body conditioners are really good. They are just a bit expensive. So yeah, it's more of a treat than an everyday situation, if you know what I mean. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below what you've been loving this month and what you've got going on at the moment. If there's anything exciting happening, let me know down below in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because it makes me so happy. And yeah, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!